The word for year is Shana. Shana means to repeat. The book of Devarim, Deuteronomy, is called Mishnah Torah because it was a repeat of everything Moshe had taught. Many of the laws are repeated. Now, if year in Hebrew is Shana, which means to repeat, then it implies the year repeats itself, meaning time is not linear. We understand time to be linear, so we use phrases like timeline. But in the Hebraic thought, time is a spiral that we travel through. It's not linear. Time doesn't travel, but rather we travel through time. As you travel the year, you get to various meeting places along the way, which were set up at the creation of this earth, which repeats itself yearly. Think of it like a train. It goes round and round and gets to various stops along the tracks, and you tap into the energy of the stop or the time period. So we start with Passover. We tap into the energy of Passover. In other words, the portal of Passover. Then we exit and go ahead to the next appointment with Yeve, which is Shavuot. We step into that portal and draw from its energy. Then trumpets, Rosh Hashanah, Yom Kippur, Sukkot, stepping into each portal and drawing from its energy. Just as you can walk into a holy place and that place impacts you, you can also walk into a holy time and that time is going to impact you as well. If you go through a holy time and you do what is instructed by Yeve to be done on that particular set time, you tap into and draw from the energy ascribed to that time, and then that time would impact you. I'll repeat that because it's critical. If you go through a holy time and do what is instructed by Yeve to be done on that particular appointment, on that particular feast, you tap into and draw from the energy ascribed to that time, and then that time will impact you. In Hebrew thought, the year is not necessarily as important as the time of year. The year changes, but the time of year does not change. The same energy exists. In Hebrew thought, the month is what is important, not the year.